Monty here, Mannershade Media. Well, today is, guess what color brown we need. Now this video is going to be awfully tricky to show you exactly what I'm trying to accomplish here. But in a couple of segments here, I'm going to show you. So this brown, if you can see, is lighter. So this one here is 1969 T5, which would be, we'll call it Dukes of Hazzard interior color. This one is 1970 T5 brown, which we were lucky enough, we deal with Herb's parts for our colors. This is supplied by my buddy there, Bob Southoff, Radical Restorations. It dries super quick, it goes on super easy, like it's real easy product to use. Now there is a difference, and like I said, I'll try and show you as best I can. It's just, with the naked eye, you can just see it better. This is definitely lighter than this. But in 1970, I'm having some color issues with my Roadrunner, so that's what I'm trying to accomplish here. The headrests are all cracked and stuff, so I got new headrests, and then trying to match everything. So there's a couple of panels that I'm trying to replace and then dye this specific color. So when I get home tonight, I will make sure to show you guys and gals what this headrest, now that this one's dyed, to see what it looks like and compared it to the seat covers. And the seat covers are correct for the car. It's not premium seat covers with the other kind of sequence. It's the high grade, so it's different than premium. Okay, so yeah, so I'm just gonna spray this one up to match this one. I usually do about 4 light coats, and yeah, it's a super good product to use. So yeah, Herb's parts out of, you know what, can't tell you where it's out of. It's out of the States. Like I said, I get it all from Bob, but Bob gets it from there. But he's got, I think, every interior color that there is available, I believe. So anyway, see how this works out.